Painting a wall can totally transform a room, but sometimes the thought of getting started can be overwhelming. Easy design techniques can make a huge difference, allowing you to create a beautiful space without needing professional help. It's all about finding simple ways to add some personality to your walls. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to paint their walls is lack of creativity. You might have a vision in your head, but you're not sure how to bring it to life. Others might be held back by fear of making mistakes. What if you choose the wrong color or mess up the lines? Then there's the intimidation factor, staring at a blank wall and not knowing where to start. And let's not forget about the pressure to make it perfect, which can be really stressful. Using painter's tape is a game changer for creating clean lines and sharp edges. You can block off sections of the wall for a geometric pattern or create a border around a room. Stencils are another great option for adding patterns and designs without needing to be a pro painter. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, from simple shapes to intricate designs. Color blocking is also super easy and can add a lot of visual interest to a room. You can use tape to block off sections and paint them different colors. For a more subtle look, you can use a gradient effect with different shades of the same color. Here's a time-lapse of me transforming a plain wall using one of these techniques. As you can see, it's really not that hard. I used some painter's tape to create a simple geometric pattern, and the result is pretty amazing. The best part is that you can customize it to fit your personal style. I'm using a combination of bold colors and neutral tones to create a unique look. The tape really helps to create crisp, clean lines. And the finished product is totally worth the effort. So, there you have it. With a few simple design techniques, you can totally transform a plain wall into something amazing. It's all about being willing to experiment and have fun with it. Don't be afraid to try something new and make mistakes. That's all part of the process.